What's up, guys? I've tried to record the arena update in Animal Company before, but there wasn't enough people because it was just me. So, a little while later, I have to get this guy on, and boof. What are you doing?
What's good? In
What are you
today's
doing?
episode, Osama bin Laden.
What?
Osama bin Laden.
What are you doing?
Hey, give me that. Give me that. Watch this.
Oh, no! Is that a plane?
It didn't quite hit the tower, but
Close enough. Hey, wait! Get over here! Get over here! Get over here! Hey, I want to give you a gift for your birthday, bro. It's definitely your birthday. See, oh, you have to go grab it. That's it. I'm going to the thing. I'm going to the thing. Okay. Oh, my shoddy. This way. Boop. Nope. Red team. Red team. I call red team. I call red team. I call red team. So you're in blue. Yep, join blue. No, join blue. Wait, hold it. So we go. Bro.
what?
There you go. What? Oh, got the duel. One way. What is this place? Pickaxe. Oh wait, weapon? Please stop. Dude, I said stop. Put my ghost back in my body now. Hey, put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. You deserve that. No, you're not going back inside your body. You. Now disrespect. That's a lesson of disrespect. That you just don't mess with, okay? Don't take my stuff. Don't take my stuff. Put it back. Put me back. Put me back. Put me back. Buddy. I'm right here. Hey, you don't know who you're talking to. You don't know who you're talking to, pal. You don't know who you're talking to, buckaroo. Hey, you don't know who you're talking to. Freak you. Freak you. I'll come back. I always come back. Freak. Dude, don't take my, dude, are you serious? Dude. Is bro kidding right now? Is bro kidding right now?
Oh my god, this is peak.
Dude, don't do that again, bro. That's not even nice. I told you not to take it and then you took it. That's very mean. That's a very mean move. I don't know. We're still learning, right? You're not even talking. Hey, you're gonna break my shield! You'll break mine, I'll break his. I'm the master of bed worst, bro. No, I'm not. Never played it. I played it like once. What? Are you serious?
Oh, so that's what you do.
I told you, bro. Buddy, I told you not to take
Seki.
my rocket launcher, and that's what you did, bro. Do you know how long it took me to get that?
Yes, I like arena mode.
I don't like it.
Yeah, that's because I took your rocket launcher, you stinky bozo.
You're being a freaking meanie head, bro.
No.
You were, bro. You took all my loot. He can do that all he wants. Oh, wait. Head start. Actually, I think I'm starting to like this game mode. I was told that there was gonna be more guns. There was not much gun. Okay, it's a mid game mode. I want to leave for one thing to see one thing.
Yeah.
Did it really give me those gems? Because if it did, that'd be peak. It in the code, bro. Peak. This update is peak kitchen. Dude, I really got those gems. I really got those gems for me, bro.
Hey, Stinky.
Bro, stop, bro.
Damn, Ryan's ass.
Yo. Okay, I was looking for like the you know, it, but what does it matter? Where is it? Wait, this is not right. You can't grab those anymore. From me. You don't take my will to live. You don't take my strength. You don't take my power. You don't take me on. I am him. Just a little testy test. 10,000. Oh. Now I own the thing, so I'm gonna leave it to ya.